lighting up the night, ensuring messages are loud and clear. DJI is launching its first spotlight and speaker, designed for multi-payload drone platforms. Introducing Zenmuse V1 and Zenmuse S1. Zenmuse S1 utilizes LEP technology for enhanced light penetration and offers 4 lighting modes to suit the needs of all types of operations. Low beam mode easily handles short distance, wide area search operations.
搜救组注意，在你右方10米处出现悬崖，请全体注意安全。
High beam mode increases brightness, providing long distance illumination. Both on mode engages low and high beam simultaneously, delivering greater central illuminance, lighting up the core operation area while providing a comprehensive field of view. This offers maximum illumination coverage for critical tasks like nighttime repairs, ensuring operational safety and efficiency. Light guides direction, while sound transmits information. Zenmuse V1 offers powerful audio broadcasting, capable of clear voice transmission even in noisy environments and wide open spaces. It also features multiple broadcast modes. DJI RC Plus supports directional recording and environmental noise cancelling, providing consistently clear audio. Text-to-speech mode supports adjustments to tone and speech rate, as well as loop playback, ensuring that information is clearly conveyed. It's also possible to import local audio files and play preset content, making it easy to deliver specific notices. Zenmuse S1 and Zenmuse V1, illuminating every corner in need and ensuring every important message is heard.